What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today in the Z, we're back in the Z. Today we got some mods we're about to install right now. All right, so the first one is I got a GTR button. You know, everyone that has a Z, you know what they do, they get a GTR button. I hate the whole, I don't even declare weird button that illuminates orange, it's kind of tacky or whatever. So I'm about to install this. I'll try to document it because this is my first time doing something like this. So I'm gonna see if I can do it right. Hopefully I do. I don't mess anything up, but yeah. About to install this GTR button and then I have something else, but let's do one thing at a time. So first thing, let's install this GTR button real quick. All right, guys, I just got it done. This thing looks so much better, bro. I'm starting her up right now. Sheesh. You have that GTR start button looking fresh, so you don't have the weird, what is this, clear? Weird looking clear one. I think it had a scratch on it too. Well, it's kind of satisfying. I'm gonna just have this in my car, just cause. But yeah, it's done. Looks nice with the interior. And now, to the second part of this video, I will be installing a shift knob and shift boot. So I'm not sure if you guys know, but InFocus is a company. They make shift knob and shift boot. And the shift boot I got is the Blossom, I believe, shift boot. It kind of matches with the red theme that I'm going with. I didn't go with the generic Bride shift boot or the red shift boot. That's kind of overplayed in my part, or in my opinion. But what I end up getting was a red shift knob from, if I can open this box, a red shift knob from InFocus. Look at that, man. My hand's kind of ashy, I apologize. But yeah, this is what I got. It has some weight to it, and it has a shift boot, what do you call this? Retainer, I think it's called. Not even sure how you use it, but I'll be figuring that out soon. But yeah, this is the shift knob. I'm gonna replace this old shift knob. But the guy that owned this before me, I'm the third owner of this car. He had a modified shifter, so this shouldn't be hard. I'm gonna try to see if I can take it off. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. And just like that, I got it loose. I feel real bad for you guys that have to use vice grips and stuff like that to take this off. End up ripping apart the shift knob. But yeah, mine is pretty easy, so I kind of got it easy on my part. So we are back. So I am 100%. I'm pretty sure you guys seen a ton of videos how these guys do this. So they just pop up on each end. So you dig your hand in like this and you just pop up, and it comes up, and then you just, when you get to this part, you just push it down and then slide it out towards you. But yeah, when you get to this part, let me get my flash. But yeah, when you get to this part, that's a clip. You just want to unclip that and you should be golden. I'm about to unclip it right now. Let's see if we can do this with one hand. What type of clip is this? Okay, there we go. And this just goes like this. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's inside the shift boot if you guys have not seen that before. But yeah, you don't have to remove each button, you just have to remove that main clip. But yeah, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that you have to remove. And then I'll be taking this shift boot off and then putting the other one on. Then I'll catch you guys in the next clip when I do that. All right, so I took that off. Like I said, it took away the 6 screws and this comes off, and then took off the old boots. My car's kind of messy, just trash. And then the good thing with InFocus, their products, they can specify what car you have. So I have a Z, obviously, and they come with the, already made holes in the shift boot, so you can just line it up with the OEM slots, and it'll be golden. So I'm gonna do that right now. First holes go here. Wait. Oh wait, no, it goes this way. My bad. So after you're done, so it's gonna look, then you're gonna put your, wait, let me fix something. Put your cover back up. And then we're gonna put back the screws and I'll pop it in and let you guys see how it looks. But yeah guys, so we're back and time for the final, oops, let's turn the car on. Gotta shake that knob. But yeah, so time for the final step. We're gonna put the shift knob on. So real quick, when I got the shift knob, the option was there to get a retainer, and which is this right here. So what the retainer does is something when you get a new shift knob, the boot sags. So when you opt for the new retainer, they put this retainer on the shift knob, which is this right here. And then right here on the shift boot, it has a thick area right here. So it's thick, so when you put the shift knob in, it clips into place. So I'm gonna put the shift knob on right now and show you what I mean. Again, I'm sorry for my ashy freaking fingers. Need a lotion, bro. I'm gonna put this on real quick. It's kinda high. Do I like it? Do I like it though? I don't really know. Yeah, I'm gonna screw it all the way down. So that's pretty tight. And then you just pop it in. Look and get it. There we go. So it pops right in. Or not. Pops right in like that. So you never have to worry about, the boot sagging. So yeah, that is the install right now. I'm gonna fix the boot so it kind of looks nice, I guess. Let me fix that. Yeah. It's kind of light, to be honest. I don't know if I like it or not. But yeah, that's the shift knob. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty good. The contrast. The red with the red shift boots, the red stitching, and the GTR button, sorry. The carbon fiber, whatever this is, cluster. The carbon fiber door trim, and the carbon fiber console. So this interior is, it's coming in. It's coming together. All right guys, so it's been a couple days since I installed the shift knob and the shift boot, and it's been pretty decent so far, to be honest. So if I remember correctly, this is called Cherry Blossom Amor, and then this one is called Ruby Red. Yeah, Ruby Red. So this color, I believe on InFocus sites, they have a red. They have a red one, they have a black one, they have a white one, then they have shorter ones, and they have like different colors. You can check it out on their site. But this one is Ruby Red, so it's like a deep, glossy type satin, not glossy, satin type red. So it's not a bright, shining red that I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera. But yeah, it's like a glossy, I keep saying glossy, it's a satin type red. And this shift boot is the Cherry Blossom Amor. It's pretty nice, to be honest. It has this nice texture to it. It's not like generic cloth, it's like a high quality cloth. And I really like it so far. It really ties in the whole interior. I still need a carbon fiber steering wheel and maybe like some carbon fiber bits like the door handle or whatever. I've seen some carbon fiber pieces for this. But yeah, my interior looks pretty nice so far. I love it. And this shift knob, so it is a little bit lighter than the OEM shift knob. And the OEM shift knob sits lower because the way the OEM shift knob is situated is the bottom part of the OEM shift knob is like a guard. So it looks taller in pictures, but when you screw it on, it goes all the way down. So the OEM shift knob probably sits like about right here. It's pretty decent for what it is. You can get to the gears what I want pretty easy. Yeah, I like it so far. It's pretty nice. So if you guys, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick this up along with the Cherry Blossom shift boot. But yeah, this is a new build for the channel, so let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want, what type of videos you want. You want me to have like POV videos where I have a GoPro on my head or whatever, and I show me banging gears or whatever. Dang, dog. Yeah, just let me know what type of videos you want. I was thinking of doing something like that. I never did that with my old gen before, like, you know, have POV me racing. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think on this video, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends or whatever. Really helps me out a lot. I really want to grow this channel now with this new build and, you know, what I'll be doing in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and peace.